Once upon a time there was a little red hen who lived on a farm. She worked hard every day, pecking the ground, looking for worms, sitting in bushes, and sometimes laying an egg. The little red hen had 3 friends, a cat, a dog, and a horse. However, these animals didn't work hard at all. The cat loved to sleep in the sun, the dog preferred resting in the shade, and the horse spent all day watching TV. One day, the little red hen discovered a raspberry bush. "Raspberries!" she exclaimed excitedly. "Yum, yum, yum. We can make a raspberry cake." She ran to tell her friends. "Friends, there are raspberries over there. We can make a raspberry cake." The dog drooled and said, "Yes." The cat licked her lips and agreed, "Absolutely." The horse flicked his tail and said, "What a great idea." Then the little red hen asked, "Who wants to help me pick the raspberries?" The dog said, "Not me, I'm too busy." The cat replied, "Not me, I'm too tired." And the horse said, "Not me, I'm watching TV." The little red hen sighed and said, "Then I will do it myself." So she picked the raspberries one by one, all by herself. "Now we need flour, sugar, milk, and butter," said the little red hen. "Who wants to help me get them?" The dog said, "Not me, I'm too busy." The cat replied, "Not me, I'm too tired." And the horse said, "Not me, I'm watching TV." The little red hen sighed again and said, "Then I will do it myself." She went to the pantry to get the flour and sugar, then to the fridge to get the butter and milk. She gathered all the ingredients and put them in a big bowl, all by herself. "Who wants to help me mix the cake batter?" asked the little red hen. The dog said, "Not me, I'm too busy." The cat replied, "Not me, I'm too tired." And the horse said, "Not me, I'm watching TV." The little red hen shook her head and said, "Then I will do it myself." She mixed the batter until it was smooth and creamy, then gently stirred in the raspberries. She poured the batter into a cake tin and placed it in the oven, all by herself. Tick-tock, tick-tock. Soon a delicious smell wafted through the kitchen. The dog could smell it. The cat could smell it. The horse could smell it too. They all rushed to the kitchen. The little red hen took the cake out of the oven, placed it on a plate, and sprinkled it with sugar. "So, who wants to help me eat this cake?" she asked. "Me," said the dog. "Me," said the cat. "Me," said the horse. "I don't think so," said the little red hen. "You didn't help me make this cake, so you won't help me eat it." And with that, she ran off with the cake and ate every last crumb, all by herself.